This summer with College Now was one to remember. Let's rewind and relive the highlights together. What a summer! From workshops to field trips, students explored, learned, and made unforgettable memories. Middle and high schoolers came together for workshops that built skills, sparked ideas, and prepared them for success. In partnership with Lorraine Community College, students explored careers, discovered their interests, and imagined future possibilities. Students toured campuses, explored new places, and gained hands-on experiences that built curiosity and connection. These snapshots captured the energy, curiosity, and excitement our students brought to every program. Our Gear Up students shined this summer, attending the Ohio Youth Leadership Summit and experiencing hands-on learning at Cedar Point STEM Day. In Chicago, Upward Bound students experienced campus life, city adventures, and a true taste of college. A week filled with discovery, friendship, and memories they'll carry into the school year ahead. Through our Impact program, students sharpened skills, built confidence, and prepared for college entrance exams. Explore students, in partnership with the Fowler Foundation and Environmental Health Watch, dove into hands-on science, experimenting, discovering, and fueling their love for learning. Our Explore Third Federal students went on exciting field trips, cooking at Edwin's Culinary Institute, exploring Riddall Farm, and capturing memories at Coco Selfie Space. This summer was a huge success. Thank you to the students, families, and staff who made it unforgettable. Now, with summer behind us, it's time to bring on the school year with excitement and confidence.